The next one is the difference quotient. So how to do the difference quotient. So remember, for the difference quotient, guys, we have the limit as h is approaching 0. And then we're going to have f of x plus h minus f of x. And that's all over h. Okay, so all we're going to do is replace our x with x plus h, and then we're going to subtract here. So when we write that out there, let's see, put it over here. So this is going to be what? A 2 times an x plus h quantity squared plus a x plus h minus 5. So that's my f of x plus h. And that's going to be minus. Now, again, whenever you have more than one quantity, make sure you're using parentheses or brackets. That's going to be a 2x squared plus x minus 5. Okay, and that's going to be all over an h. All right, so let's go ahead and I don't think I'm going to have room to simplify it, so we'll simplify it over here. So if I expanded that out, that'd be a 2, let's see, x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. Don't need parentheses here, so I can just write that as an x plus h minus 5. And then here, make sure you distribute that negative. That's a big mistake students will make. So this is a minus 2x squared minus x minus 5. Okay, and again, that's all over h. And now here, let's distribute this. And what can we cancel out? Can we cancel anything out? Yeah, we can get rid of the x's here. The 5s, that should be a positive. So those are going to divide out. And then we still have everything else here, though. All right, so then I get a 2x squared. Actually, you know what? Let's just forget that. Let's divide that out. So the 2xh's, or 2x squareds, those are going to divide out. And then now I'll be left with a 4xh. Yeah, 4xh, and then my h squared plus h. Oh, no, plus a 2h squared, and then plus h. I'm kind of skipping my r, plus a 2h squared, right? And then plus h. Yes. Okay. So, and that's all over an h, right? And again, not really using my limit notation very correctly. That's all equal to a limit as x approaches h, right? Okay, so now I can go ahead and still, I can factor that out here. And so, oh, I'm sorry, not x. Geez, come on. H equals 0. So as h is approaching 0, h is approaching 0. Limit as h is approaching 0. All right, so now I can factor out the h. So it's h times a 4x plus, why do I feel like I have this 2? That's an h squared. Yeah, okay. 2 plus a 2h and then plus 1. All over h. Those get divided out. As I go and plug that in for 0, that's going to be left with a 4x plus 1. Which, if you're just going to use your power rule, you can definitely see you're going to get 4x plus 1, because f prime of x using the power rule is take the power, bring it down, multiply it by the coefficient. That's a 4, subtract 1, so that's 4x. And that's just be your coefficient plus 1. So you can see that is equal to that. Now, using obviously the power rule is a lot faster than using the difference quotient, but it is really good, especially for the algebra, to kind of practice and go through all that.